Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to this video. In this video, I want to show y'all, man, exactly how you can easily make a couple of $100 every week just by posting an ad, just a video ad, man. It's just that simple. So this is a video ad that I posted on Facebook, and I posted it, and look how many views it got. Simple ad telling people how they can really just post ads online, really posting videos. So let me get up out of this. Let me just show you. This is on Facebook. As of right now, I have 100 some likes, 200 some shares, 11,000 views. Let's get to the comments. And let me just show you when I posted it. I posted it a month ago. Can I go back to the date? Let me see if I can go to the date. I posted this on April the 11th. Today is May the 17th. So I posted this a little over a month ago. And you guys, this video ad is still making me money, people. And the only thing I do is just share the video. People gonna comment information. And look, I think I still got some people that I gotta respond to. Look at this. 3 days ago, 4 days ago. It was a month ago since I did the video, people. So this is exactly what I'll do. I'll come to this person. Come to Bobby, get in Bobby inbox and say, hey, Bobby. I think I got copy paste. Take a look at my website. Let me know if you have any questions. Simple. When what they gonna do? Click on it. And now I'm gonna make sure they gonna click on it, because I'm gonna come back to that post. And I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna like both of them. He say you ready. And I'm gonna reply. Say, okay, awesome. Hit him with an emoji. Be like, okay, cool. I just sent you the info. Check your inbox. Or some of that nature, you know. Let him know it's in the inbox. So he got a message here, notification here on his phone here, notifications here. So he gonna see that the information. So most likely he gonna click on the website. And that's what I do, people. That's it. And then once I start cleaning this up and replying to everybody, all I go back and do is share the video again. That's it. And where I share it to, I share it to groups. That's what I teach you. I teach you that on my Facebook. You can go to my Facebook, not my Facebook, my YouTube channel. Posting in groups. It don't matter. I press H. Posting in that group. Bam. Still coming up. And like, let me just show you my back office from this one video I posted, y'all. So I posted that video on the 11th. So on the 12th, the company that paid me, you know, 114, excuse me. Oh, and the company pay every week. So every week they been paying me a couple of bucks, man. hey, from this one video. Let me just tell you how powerful it is. And it's so simple. So if you want to be able to just post one video and just share your video, and to be able to make, you know, at the minimum what I'm making, just a couple of $100 every week, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you got a job, or you got to take care of kids, or I don't know how you live and how you live, but you know, just, you know, getting you some extra cash, man. Just posting video ads, you know, post one a day, or get like me, just post one every month and keep making money off of it. So, you know what I'm saying? So if you want that information, only thing you have to do is just click the link below. It's free information, no obligation. Just check it out, man. If it's something for you, please get in. And my number's in there, so you can actually call me and let me know that you're ready, so I can send you over the training, you know, get you in our Facebook groups and Facebook chat. Facebook chats as well. And take care of you, so you'll know what you're doing and what type of videos to post, so to be able to make a couple $100 every week. So if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright, peace.